In this video, I want to show you how to print pictures on photo paper using your HP Envy Photo 7975 printer. For this video, I'll use my iPhone to print a picture that I took with it, but it works the same way on Android. Step number one is to connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone or Android or whatever device you're trying to print pictures from. So let's go on the display over here. I'll show you how it is done. You're going to tap on the top section where you see all these small icons. Tap once to open this menu. Then the second icon is the Wi-Fi icon. Right now, as you see, it's not connected to any network. You're going to tap on it and press yes. It will search for all the different wireless networks that are currently around the printer. It will give you a list that you can browse up and down, and you simply have to tap on your Wi-Fi network. Touch to enter password, just like that. And now you have to type using this keyboard. For example, if you want to select the letter N, you have to tap this button and then select N. It takes a bit more time than a usual keyboard, but hey, it gets the job done. Then press the Done button. Click on OK. At the end, you should get connection successful. Next step is to download the HP app. This way you will be able to connect the printer to your phone. I'll show you on an iPhone, but again, if you have Android, simply go on the Google Play Store instead and download the same app that I'm going to show you. Once you are on the main screen of this app, we need to add the printer by tapping on the plus sign on the top right corner. Then select Choose an available printer. Select your HP Envy Photo 7900 series. The printer has been added to the app. To print a picture, you don't have necessarily to go through the HP app once the HP app is installed and once the printer is connected to the HP app. You can go directly in the photo gallery of your iPhone, the same way you're going to see your picture that you have took. I have picked a picture that I want to print. I will tap on this icon that is a square with an arrow pointing up. If you don't see this icon, maybe it's over here or on the top. Then go down in this menu and you should see Print. Tap on Print. On the top, select your printer, HP Envy Photo 7900 series. Number of copies, if you want to print in color or black and white. Your paper size, I will have select 4x6 inch photo glossy paper because the printer has automatically detected that this is what I'm using. At the end, oops, right over here you have media and quality. In print quality, select best. And for the rest, just leave it the way it is. At the end, press the print button on the top right corner. The printing process will start. You can extend the paper output. So after around 25 seconds, the result came out and it looks good. Thanks for watching. If you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links in the description of this video to get some photo paper. Every time you purchase through my links, I get a very small commission and it helps my channel. I also put links towards compatible ink cartridges with your Envy Photo 7975. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.